Hey Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. Today I decided to build a PC because I woke up and I thought to myself, you know what? You haven't just built a PC for the sake of building a PC.
Have you subscribed yet? I think you should.
And I use these videos as a bit of therapy for myself and to inspire you guys to build beautiful PCs of your own. So I guess we should build a PC. Let's do it.
You telling me you still haven't subscribed? Seriously? Come on. really should subscribe. Seriously.
All right, ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed seeing this beautiful PC to inspire you guys to build beautiful PCs come together. A little bit about the hardware. There's little cards in the video talking about all the hardware and just showing what everything is as I'm going through that process of the video. Just makes it easier for me to edit and I don't have to talk too much about the hardware. And as mentioned, this is just a build for the sake of building a PC. It's not always the most practical parts that I choose for these. I just want it to look beautiful, and I already can see the comments. Ready for it, Claire?
Yeah.
Oh, that GPU sag though. Yes, I know. But it still looks good, right? And here's the thing about PCIe slots. They're reinforced. It's very, 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 very difficult to snap one off. It's just not going to happen unless you punch down on the GPU as hard as you can, and you'd probably just damage the GPU more than damaging the slot. So there's a little bit of trivia for you guys if you're interested. One question we do get quite a lot with these builds is, how did I configure the RGB? This one is fairly straightforward. I used L-Connect, and that's basically it. I use motherboard software for the RAM and for the GPU, and that's it. Nothing too exciting here. And I'll put a full PC part picker list down below in the description so you guys can peruse that list and see all the things that we used in this PC build in the description down there, right? I also use Amazon links sometimes. So if you want to support the channel and you're looking at buying anything, just use those links down there. I would appreciate it, and Claire would appreciate it. Actually, Bindi would appreciate it quite a bit too, because she's a cat. She needs cat food.
I think you should subscribe.
If you like the music you heard here, I make all the music. It's available by clicking that join button right down there, down below. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seeking. That's it, I'm out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this PC build. Yeah, thanks for watching.